Good morning. So this morning we had some initial jobless claims reports, which were roughly as expected, a tiny bit worse, but nothing significant. And overnight we had some interesting price action come in across almost all the markets where we saw a very sharp spike down and spike up, and we're just starting to see more volatility overall. We haven't really made any big moves, and I don't feel like I have any sort of edge on the index markets anymore. And on my sim trading, I'm putting that on pause for right now because I need to make some changes. It has crossed a drawdown threshold that when I look really closely at the trades I was taking, it really just came down to a few ticks difference between seeing this go drop all the way back to negative. We were up to 80 something thousand dollars. And now we're back below where we started. And if just a few of those trades, for example, yesterday on gold, I had 3 stop outs that were stopped at the highs. So to the tick, I just got trapped, stopped out. Some of that initially in here had to do with my order placement was not as precise as I normally do. So I was more afraid of missing the trade than I was getting the correct entry. So definitely made some mistakes. And so I had 3 losses yesterday instead of a big win. So with that, I have just going to spend some more time studying on it, figuring out what needs to adapt to move forward with that. On the prop trading, we're still sitting, waiting for a setup. We didn't have anything trigger yesterday. On Monday, we had 2 trades, but net break even, or I should say that was on Tuesday. Then market overall, just wanting to wait. One interesting note is on the euro. They've had some weakness come into the market, a lot of fundamental data pointing at a more of a bearish scenario, but that data just came out recently and the market was already anticipating it by how it was moving. It was showing us, remember, we were looking to get short up in this area. And since then, it's just been coming down. Where it'll go from here, we'll just have to wait and see. I don't see a current edge with where it's trading at the moment. So with the ceasefire being extended, the whole market just is in limbo right now. So bounce plays could make sense today, but overall it might just be a day to sit on the sidelines, as I will be using today to do some research. Happy trading.